Hi everyone, time for a quick vocabulary lesson on the difference between story and history. History is normally used for something that is factual, it's true, it really happened. For example, on the 28th of June 1914, Archduke Franz Ferdinand was assassinated with his wife Sophia. At the time, there were a lot of treaties or alliances between countries, and this event triggered another series of events which led to the beginning of World War I. This is an example of history. These events actually happened. This is real. This is what we call history. A story, on the other hand, is fictional. It's not true. It's made up. It's Harry Potter. It's the Die Hard films. These are not real events. These things didn't happen. These are what we call stories. There is an exception though. Stories can be true. We have what's called a true story. This is a story told around real events. An example would be the movie 12 Years a Slave. It's a story, but it actually happened. This is a true story. Now, I didn't see this film. I don't know what happened, but I know it's true. One other very important difference between history and story is that history is uncountable. We can't count it. We don't normally have histories. Story is countable. We can have many stories. We can have as many stories as we want. History is uncountable. Stories can be countable. So, what examples of history, stories, or true stories can you think of? Put it in the comments below.